Welcome to our channel Sanjeev070. So this is the next tech news episode. So today's episode we are going to cover 5 tech news and again the link will be given in the description so that you can also verify the things. So let's move on without wasting time. Let's move on to first news. This is document clustering and it's completely being identified by AI. So basically document clustering is something which is being mainly used in clustering of documents or segmentation of documents where people used to distribute the documents with the users or with the among the employees. So let's explore this news into detail. So as you can see, the Windows.com publishes that the AI is being constantly used in document clustering and the catch is it basically recognizes face and biometric data to use the document clustering without finding the duplicates. So basically many kind of researchers are running also use in machine learning algorithm or confidential data, everything is being handled with the help of this use. So basically who all uses it? Google, Yahoo, Bing, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Google browsers and Cartoon, etc. Browsers applications or organizations to permanently use it and they use basically a hyperparameter tuning or user context usage etc for clustering document clustering. These documents are basically used in analysis of health patient etc and there are hierarchical clustering problem also. So this is basically about this tech news. So now without wasting time let's move on to next one. So the next tech news is Facebook uses artificial intelligence to prioritize reported content. Like the people who reported spam content or false content is going to be now monitored in Facebook with the help of AI. So let's explore this news and get to know how they are being monitoring it. So this is an article published in India TV News. So as you can see, Facebook has been constantly monitoring the people who report the content as spam or who report the content as very much harmful to the society as violation to community guidelines, and people are usefully using AI to monitor it. And Facebook has globally 1.82 million users and it has a community integrity rules, but many people are not following it. So basically Facebook prioritize the content. So now basically content prioritization is for the layman term. I will tell you what the content prioritization is like. If a user A has been seeing a uh, let me explain you. So as you can see here, if basically a user A is there and this A user is been using the data for a long time and he is being using some kind of content transferring the content to B. So B is a user sitting in London. So as you can see, the people sitting in London has more accessible and a wider range of and a different kind of impact over society or different kind of view. So now this A would definitely share the content to B. So Facebook is using AI to prevent the sharing of data and which is being violated by some other user. Now since it's been violated, so B could not share the data with the A. So this is basically called content marketing or content prioritization. So this is basically done in this news. So now let's move on to next news. Third news is Niti Aayog proposes multidisciplinary body to oversee AI, its technical, legal, and policy aspects. Niti Aayog process are basically being regulating AI's technical, legal, and policy aspects. So it's very good initiative by the government of India, and let's see it in detail. So this is basically being published in firstpost.com. As you can see, the government of India has been using ETO project for technical aspects of AI to regulate it, and people are using it for humanities and social science field also. So technology is being a boon or bane, so international alliances can be easily also managed through this. And it's in June 2020 draft paper has been released towards responsibility AI for all hashtag it's been using, and it is the only targeted for the potential to lead large scope of AI in social sectors. Like people are adopting to AI, so the Ayog has been invited to stakeholders to submit its document by December 15. Now let's proceed to news 4. So Google has created an AI-powered nightmare creature generator. So it's a kind of VR AR story that people basically listen to in their childhood things. So now let's explore the news here. So once you scroll down this news, you basically get that Google has created some kind of different models, and by using this kind of web tools they are being using creating the blogs, etc. Like as you can see here, many nightmare creatures are being artificially created which again uses AI, like artificial dinosaurs and etc., crazy wings and crazy monkeys, etc. So this is basically funny news. So next let's move on to fifth news. How would we think about the ethics of artificial intelligence? So now many organizations are coming up forward to put up the initiative that we should conserve the data science ethics and artificial intelligence ethics. So this is being monitored by, and this is being easily provided by our next news. So in this news, people are basically aware about the technology, aware about the consumer rights, transparency, data theft, data privacy, and transparency of data, etc. So basically, this is used to uh, just involve the AI in ethics of AI. So people are using it for many kind of use. So as you can see here, many people did not agree with the challenges that people face, but in San Francisco, 100 million women in AI ethics has been written in 2019 and 2020. So this is basically one such good achievement by the 30 women influencing in San Francisco, and many of them, as are human beings, definitely they would not agree, and increased automation and tech use can be completely behaved under the AI processor. So what basically means the ethics of AI? Like we should have a proper governance of rules for the AI. We couldn't leave it to complete automation for everything. It would automatically lead to data theft, data security, and privacy issues, etc. So this episode comes up to the end from here. So hope you like the episode and hope you like the video also. So this is episode 3. For more episodes, do check out the playlist that is being given in the I button and that is being given in the channel. So hit the like and share, subscribe the channel. That's how would be get us to the channel if you really like the content that I put. So let's meet on the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks.